The Adirondack Nationals, Lake George. Got a video for my son. Busy out here. A lot of cars. Sort of slippery one, wet vehicle, the Fairmont. A truck over here. Busy day. Chevelle, GTO. Tons of people over here. There's a nice Impala. Nice whatever that is. Holden, I don't know what the hell that thing is. Nice cars, yeah. Look at a busy show. You raise a thing, how busy it is out here. Camaro, this purple Camaro. A lot of resto mods out here. Chevy 2 Nova, look at that engine. Look at that engine, wow. And a Ford over here. Ford right there. And looks like a Cougar XS7 429 in Overjet. Got the Rust-Oleum thing, the patina. Okay, I'll do another video soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.